My new lights came in today, and I have all my packages shipped to work because I don't want people to steal them off my porch. And so I've been riding my motorcycle to work lately because I had some car issues. And so I decided I didn't want to leave my package there sitting at work, so I decided to be creative and bring it home. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Great Video Maker LED lights. All right, let's get this open. Ooh, got the light. Got these barn doors so you can direct the light. I got the back here, you got a couple of different places you can put batteries in, or you can plug it into power. Also, it comes with a diffuser that you can slide in from the side. See what else we got. Paperwork, what's in the box. Ooh. 3 power cords. Let's flip it over to the other side. We got 3 sets of legs and 2 more lights. After I have a chance to check these out and use them, I will be doing a product review, so keep an eye out for that. But also it's important to say that I wasn't given this equipment. This is not sponsored. I bought it on my own because it was something that I wanted to try. And but I will put a link to where I bought it down in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything. If you click the link, I don't get any money for it. I just figure it'll make it easy to help you guys find it. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and see what the leg setup looks like. Pretty standard lightweight legs. You can also put it this way as well. If you've got any benefit out of this video, go ahead and click like. It helps other people to find it. And like I said, once I have a chance to use these, I will be doing a product review. For now, I just want to do an unboxing, see what all's in the box. Third one, on the back you have 2 different, you have a selector switch that you can either turn it to batteries, but I don't have the batteries for it, or you can go ahead and turn it onto the light here, the power. This also has a Wi-Fi setting. You can set it up and control it with an app. I don't currently have the app, so I can't, but I'll try to download that before I do the review. And so you got a light brightness, and then you have a temperature switch. Sorry, you can basically have it to be tungsten light, or you can have it daylight. Kelvin switch, it'll tell you what temperature setting it is, and then you turn this one, it'll tell you what percentage of brightness you are. All right, that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching.